Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is DBMS, meaning and functions, database servers and its types. After going through this course, the students will understand that DBMS stands for Database Management System. Database Management System acts as an interface between the users and the database. Database management system manages the concurrent access to data. The students will understand that the DBMS provides concurrent access to data by way of locking and transaction mechanisms. DBMS also provides controlled access to data. It means that the users who have the authority or the privileges to access and manipulate the data, only that persons can access the database so that they can make changes in the data lying in the database. Database management system has its various usages. It is used in the organizations like banks, railways, healthcare, manufacturing, and other fields. DBMS performs many functions such as data definition, data sharing and collaboration, data manipulation, etc. Data manipulation means adding data, deleting data, or making some other modifications in the data. DBMS usually stores data on HDD and SSD. DBMS is helpful to database administrators so that they can perform their functions properly. Database server is a specialized server. It acts as a centralized repository where various types of data can be stored. The database server, especially the modern one, can host and manage database of different types. Then there are various types of database servers such as centralized database server, distributed database servers, cloud-based database servers, and others. The centralized database servers are those where the database server is located at a particular location. Then there are cloud-based servers which belong to the third-party cloud service providers, and they do not belong to the organization who is availing its services. The organizations can avail the services of cloud-based servers by paying rent or taking them on lease. Then there are distributed database servers where there are many servers who work in unison to provide a unified view of data. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.